Hello everyone, welcome to Codatta community. We are excited to introduce our Codatta Chrome extension. After adding it to your Chrome browser and pin it under the extension here, you'll be able to log in with your credential and an interface like this will show up. There are several ways to stay connected with us at the top right corner here, and you will be able to do a submission right up front. Let's go through a submission on this extension together. If you are using EtherScan as your data source, you may find an address here. Then you will see its detailed info. We can go ahead and use Chrome extension to enter the info required. We may copy and paste transaction hash and address, and select Ethereum as the network and decentralized exchange as a category. After entering a brief description, you can use this cool screen capture tool for image, and the link will be auto-filled as well. Then make sure all the info are correct and go ahead and submit. Under the History tab, you will see all the submissions you've made before. If you would like to see detailed info about them, you can click on View More on the web, or click here on Codatta Platform if you already have the platform logged in. Either way, you get to see more details about the submissions you've made. Under Referral tab, you may copy and paste link to invite friends to join this fun journey with Codatta. If you are looking for more resources on locating addresses and information about different categories of data, check out the Data Tutorial tab under here. It will take you to our detailed and organized go-to guide for data collection. Another fun thing to explore is the quests related to our Chrome extension. Over here on the platform is where you may find all of our quest tasks. Here you will see 2 that are related to our Chrome extension. Download the Codatta extension and complete one submission through Codatta extension, which is the one we just did. Make sure you're logging into the Chrome extension with the same credentials as you would for the Codatta platform. Thank you for watching this demo. Like and share this video and leave a comment to share your thoughts.